Welcome to your Ethereum news briefing by ethdaily.io. Here's your latest for Tuesday, June 13th, 2023. Uniswap releases draft code for Uni V4. Orbiter Finance introduces its Cross Rollup Protocol. Ethereum researchers analyze the impact of Finality incidents, and Taiko analyzes the Layer 2 MEV Landscape. All this and more from ETH Daily starts right now. Uniswap released a white paper and draft code for Uniswap V4, the next iteration of the protocol. Uniswap V4 introduces hooks, which are contracts that enable the creation of custom liquidity pools. Deployers will be able to add new functionality to pools, including native dynamic fees, on-chain limit orders, and time-weighted average market maker orders. All V4 pools also live within a single smart contract, coined as a singleton contract. The new architecture reduces the gas cost of pool creation by an estimated 99%. Uniswap V4 also features a flash accounting system enabled by Transient Storage EIP 1153. Flash accounting only transfers net balances between pools. Uniswap is seeking community feedback before Uni V4 is implemented. Orbiter Finance introduced its Cross Rollup Protocol, an optimistic rollup bridge that uses zero-knowledge proofs to monitor malicious behavior. Orbiter aims to offer an efficient, low-gas, and omni-rollup-compatible bridge that inherits Ethereum Layer 2 security. Orbiter uses makers, which earn trading fees for providing destination liquidity. Users and market makers can prove the legitimacy of a specific transaction by using an efficient and low-cost zero-knowledge proof, coined as the Zero-Knowledge Simple Payment Verification. Each supported rollup will have its own simple payment verification implementation. Third parties, referred to as dealers, will also be incentivized to deploy front ends that support the Orbiter Cross Rollup Bridge protocol. Ethereum researcher soyspoke.eth published findings on how Ethereum's Finality incidents impacted the network and user experience. Last month, a Prism client bug caused nodes to replay outdated attestations, resulting in higher computational load and CPU usage. Soyspoke describes the increased load, along with the processing requirements of handling deposits, as having a cascading effect on the network. Soyspoke analyzed data from Ethereum Foundation nodes located in 3 different geographical locations. The research showed that the Finality incidents significantly impacted the peer-to-peer network. This includes up to 21 missed slots per epoch, a drop of up to 68% in the participation rate, and lengthy node recovery times. Transaction inclusion times temporarily increased from 7 seconds to 12 seconds, but there was no corresponding rise in base and priority gas fees during the Finality incident. Taiko published an outline of the current Layer 2 MEV landscape and the implications of various sequencer designs. Taiko notes that Ethereum's rollup-centric roadmap will migrate 99% of all activity to Layer 2s, creating opportunities for MEV to be captured at Layer 2. Currently, most rollups capture MEV via a centralized sequencer. Arbitrum currently adopts a first-come, first-served model, limiting its MEV extraction. On the other hand, Optimism does not and can better extract MEV by reordering user transactions. Taiko analyzes potential decentralized sequencer designs for more fair MEV extraction, including shared sequencers, outsourced sequencing to other chains, and based rollups. And lastly, cross-chain aggregator L.I.FI unveiled cross-chain Zaps, a solution for bundling multiple actions in one single-click transaction. Cross-chain Zaps allow users to deposit tokens into any contract from any chain, such as bridging from Ethereum to Optimism and making an LP deposit in Velodrome. As part of an integration with Wido, developers can now use an SDK to embed cross-chain Zaps. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories from ETH Daily. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on Twitter at ETHDaily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.